Hello, you guys can hear me? Let me know in the chat if you guys can hear me. Let me just.
फाइनली उस्ताद ने अपना
Yep, okay, okay. Hello, you guys can hear me? We can hear you. Yep, perfect. So I was setting my mic. I just bought it today, so I was setting it up. Very echo, but we can hear you. I'm not sure how to like end the echo. Let me just open my translation. Wait a minute. Just wait a minute. I am setting it up. Just give me like a minute or two. Sound volume low. Okay, okay, okay. I'll fix it up. Don't worry. Also, or maybe I have like, or maybe I. So, okay, yeah. On and off. Hello. Now it's okay. I have like. Now it's okay. Now okay, 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 okay. Now it's okay. Perfect. 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 So let's get started. Sorry for like inconvenience. We have like first 7 minutes in this, but still, let's get started. We have BTC. We have like all of these charts, and let me remove my settings and stuff. And okay, so let's start from maybe gold. Oh, nice, gold is pumping. Let me see what's the profit ratio. Okay, so I am in profits right now. My entry is, let me just mark my entry. It is at 477 point, not 477. It's, let me copy 4776.31. So it's my entry on road. I'm at this stage, and yep. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, so I enter code 4745. 4745. Oh, you are a little low, bro. You are somewhere around here. I will take TPs around fib levels, and let me add some fib levels here. First TP would be around somewhere around here, $4812. Second TP around this Jordan pockets around $4827. Third TP around this, like, you can add 30p here or you can take 30p here, depends on you. I will take 30p here around $4858, and these are my TPs. Like, let me add TPs. These are my TPs, the in the right blue ones, and this is my entry. That's it for like the door setup. And we are in your USDT. Not USDT. I am in USD. Here is your USD. So we are in this. My entry on your is somewhere around here, and I have placed my SL2 entry. Let me add a box here so I know when it taps again. And yep, this is my trade for now. Two trades active on my side, like the BTC one, not the BTC one, like the gold one, and this one with your USD. It's available on maybe Hyperliquid. I'm not sure. No, it's CMP Bybit Saudi SAUT. Let me have a look at it. That is a little bit laggy, maybe like in delay. Let me check. XAUT 4756, and the real gold price is at 4789. So we have like $30 gap, but still okay. Let me open the chart here. Let me open the chart, and we are okay. So we have a gap here. We are sitting at somewhere around here on, not here, somewhere around here on actual road, and this Bybit one is here. So you can actually trade this one, but if you have a look at this, like on the 5 minute time frame, this is 5 minute and this is 5 minute. Let me compare if the chart is similar or somewhat different. We have a big like we have a big candle, and then we have a deviation of this one, and we have a yep. So chart is similar. You can change the prices if you want to, like you can actually change these prices minus $30 in this, in all these, and you will get your TPs. Or actually you can take a screenshot, of it, brother, so you don't like mess it up. These are the prices. You can take TP at this 4761, then second one and 4778, and then at this zone. Like these are the TP with this pair. The XAUT USDT, like the Tether gold. And it's not available with USDT. Like I am talking about the Euro one. It's on other exchanges, but on Hyperliquid maybe it's available. I am not sure. And today let's go for a like brief update, and then we look for like live setups. I am in for live setup today. I don't know why, but I want to trade live setups, like 2 to 3 at least. Where do you live, bro? In my home. Yep, I'm joking. I live in South Asia. So this is like the all-time high. We have discharged, we have bear flag, we have discharged everything, and we have a bear flag here. We got a deviation over here, and we are sitting at the trend line, like the lower part of the channel. And same on Ethereum. As no, not the same. Ethereum we haven't went down. On BTC we went down, and I was expecting some rejection over here, like on this red zone, but we don't get rejection because of war news. There was a news. Let me see what was the news. Yeah, Pakistan helped US and Iran for like the ceasefire, and we got some ceasefire information news. So that's why we pumped. And our Ethereum, where is the Ethereum? Our Ethereum got RTPs hit somewhere around here. Let me open the chart. Ethereum USD.P, maybe that one. Yep, this one. Our Ethereum dot RTP is hit, and yesterday we took trade based on this POC. You can see we tap POC and then we bounce crazy. And we also had this chart here. I was waiting for this yellow mark to fill up, but I don't know why we didn't fill this one, and we just pumped crazy toward the upper side. And yep, that's our charts. Fat, I am still in fat, and yep. So that's the overall condition of our trades. Hi, good afternoon. Good afternoon, bro. Okay, so we have like multiple members today. Nice. So our views are like increasing day by day. Perfect. And yep, let's go for USDT update. And I was expecting something like as you know, ceasefire is not in my hand or your hand. I was expecting a breakout from here, but we got ceasefire somewhere around here, and then we dumped on USD dominance, and now we are holding the same zone where we formed inverse head and shoulder pattern. And in my opinion, just wait for it. Either in my opinion, like we can fill this like somewhere something like this, and then we can bounce. And on BTC one, we will fill like $72,000. Where is $72,000? Like 72,500 on. Let me open on this chart. You can see what was the high here. It was the high was $78,800. Maybe we can give another tap, something like this, and then boom, and then we dump toward the lower side. Maybe that something like this. I will explain it why in the dashboard when we will check the dashboard. And same I was expecting sideways on this one, but we didn't got sideways just because of again ceasefire news. We got a gap down opening on this one, and crazy, you can say downside on this one, and you can see like it termed around 1.55%, and yep, that's the situation on DXY. SPX actually bounced just because we got a good news, and just because I am talking for XPS, I will open something that is related to Pakistan, and we got, just because we got Pakistan news, and we got a crazy opening on this one. I was actually looking for how foreigners like can trade on this exchange, like the Pakistani stock exchange. I didn't got any stuff just because we don't have any Iranian stock exchange also, and we have Pakistani stock exchange. We don't have any stuff, so we cannot only trade this XPS on for now. And yep, that's the update, like the overall update. Total like is sitting at this zone. Let me just add stuff here. Where is the half line? So we are retesting the half line, like you can see the dotted blue line. We are expecting something, we are retesting something like this, and if let's say we deviate, we will go to this zone, and let's say if we go to this zone, we have a gap of 3%. So overall 3 to 5% you can see dump, and on BTC 3% is around somewhere around here, around, yeah, yep, somewhere we will go to like $69,200 or something like this, from $71,500. Then we enter some scalp BTC trade 70k. Yep, as 70k you can enter. Actually 70k will be a retest of these weeks. You can actually enter 70k, like I said. I am expecting it to go down at this level, and then we pump, maybe do a fake out or something like that, and we can actually expect that. So yep, and this is the BTC chart. I shared it maybe on Wednesday, 1st April, for the whole week, and the week is ended. We were sitting at this zone, and I said we will go towards this, and if you caught this move, we got like 9 to 10% of the whole move, but I was expecting some rejection, as I said earlier, ceasefire is not in our hand. I was expecting rejection over here. We haven't got rejection. So what I will say is we should wait for like upper boxes. Like we have this zone here, 73,000, 74,000 zone, and the last zone will be at $76,000, maybe somewhere around here. Something like this, and last zone will be at this. And in my opinion, we shouldn't break $76,000 if we are bearish on the longer time frame. And that's the like update stuff. Let's move toward the dashboard, and then let's move toward the live trading. And you can see on like, is the gold setup still valid? Let me see. Where's the gold? Not in this one, maybe this one. Yep, yep, kind of valid. I would say if you are going to enter with less margin, just because we have a slight okayish SL minus 0.30%, and yep, you can enter. Actually we are actually going the same way as I marked the red arrow, and yep, you can actually enter, but I would say like don't enter with like huge margin, as we are in volatile days. And on this one, BTC dashboard, we have no spot activity right now in the last couple of seconds, and on the future side everyone is long in, so that's validates my point. Like we go towards this, we do something like this. Why we do something like this and then we do like this? Just because people are long in here, their SL should be like somewhere around here or somewhere around here, and we hunt those SL and then we pump toward the upper side. And when people do short, like let's say there people are long in, when we break this zone, like people will say this support is broken, people will go short on this retest, and when people will go short on this retest, they will have some final TP around this, like this area or this area, and we will front run this up and we will hunt their short late shorters SL. This is how you trade actually in the market. Let me just add this arrow here, and yep, let me see. And you can actually see once we tapped like $72,800, spot was selling crazily, and after that spot started buying again. That's why we saw a push again, and we saw a double top or like the M pattern here. And right now we are like sort of okay, we are not like moving neutral sort of. You can see no activity here, no activity here, no activity here. Like we bought and we sold. We bought, we sold, we longed, and on actually on Bybit we are long in. Bybit one is long in, so you have to be careful here. Bybit is retailers, and yep, actually I have to like share the USD CHF also. We shorted this one yesterday. I said like you can actually short over here, and if you short it, like you gotta chase the downside. This is around somewhere around like 1.5%, and on in forex 1.5% is, I would say, GG's. And if you are still in, I would say place your sell in this one at this zone somewhere around, let what's the value, somewhere around 10.79326. Bitmax is not big one. Bitmax is big one, like you can see Bitmax, but I would say look at CoinGlass, as they have like smart money. You mean are not going to trade on Bitmax, and Bybit one is retailers. So let's say Coinbase is buying and Bybit is shorting, so you do opposite to Bybit, like you long, you don't short. And right now Bybit is like long in and Coinbase selling, so you know what's the next move. That's what I'm saying. And Bitmax, sometimes Bitmax are not like the traders, they are like long term buyers or long term sellers, so that's not the like stuff on scalping. You miss those moves on scalp. Do we have Ethereum? Yep, we have Ethereum. Let me just open a chart over here. Yesterday we took trade on Ethereum. Yep. Today we will look back at Ethereum also. And there we are printing the RC divergence. Let me add TPO. And okay. Why not take a shot on Ethereum? Why not? Like this. What's the value of this? 2272. So somewhere around here. And TP would be, what's the PSC here? 2102. And what's the PSC here? 2142. That will be like a lot bit lower. Yeah, I will look at Sol. Just wait a minute. I shared a chart here in the group. I know. I will look at Sol. Maybe Sol haven't pumped to our red zones. This TP would be okay. But I don't know what's the like RR here. 2 RR. Okay. I am waiting for actually something like this. Something like this. And then this is the first setup for our live stream. And let me add some Solana chart here on the signals tab. God long still valid. Yep. What's for the Solana chart? It was on, let me check it up. Sol USDT 2 hour time frame on Binance. Okay, so Sol USDT 2 hour time frame on Binance. This chart, yep. So we haven't read that these red boxes. I am waiting for that. We have failed this week, and now we are getting some rejection. In my opinion, we should bounce like max to max. We should bounce from here, like max downside should be this. Or you can actually, after live stream, if you are scalping, you can actually long around here, like 81 to $80. And pop-up dashboard, what's the stuff here? Okay, We got some Tom post. Let me see what we got. No, we got a repost. Nothing on Tom side. Please update on fat. Yep. So on fat, let me see what's my entry. Let just wait a minute. Let me open the chain on my side. I will see my entry. On fat, my entry, like the average price is this. This is my average price, and I am minus 1% unleveraged. I am talking about unleveraged. I am almost minus 1%, and no, minus 2% maybe. Yeah, 2%, minus 2%. Sorry, and I am minus 2% in loss, and I am expecting like we go to at least this level. Like this is around 0.2680, and I have already showed you my what do you call, like orders. I have order at 0.2612, then order at 0.2656. This level is 0.2656, and then we have a